IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus. This Honda Civic Sedan boasts a regular unleaded I-4 2.0 liters/122 engine powering this variable transmission. Window grid antenna, wheels, 16 aluminum alloy, wheels with silver accents. This Honda Civic Sedan features the following options: VSA electronic stability control, escape, valet function, trunk rear cargo access, trip computer, transmission, continuously variable, transmission with driver selectable mode, tires, P215/55R1693HS, systems monitor, strut front suspension with coil springs, steel spare wheel. The votes are counted as Top Safety Pick Plus, NACTOY 2016 North American Car of the Year, KBB.com Brand Image Awards. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to claim your Honda Civic Sedan.